It's easier than ever to manage your certificates in online or mobile banking. We'll show you how to find your maturity date, decide what happens at maturity, and open a new certificate in seconds. First, select the certificate in your list of accounts. Then, choose Show Details. You'll find helpful information like the maturity date and rate. Scroll down to view your maturity options. The Renew Certificate option automatically renews your certificate for the same term at the current standard rate. You have a 10-day grace period to withdraw funds or change your certificate by calling the credit union or visiting your local branch. Select Edit Maturity option. You can also choose Transfer to an account. This allows you to transfer funds at maturity automatically to an eligible checking or savings account. Whether the funds are from a certificate that has matured or from other deposits, you can easily open a new certificate with the rate and term that's right for you. Start by navigating to More, Accounts, and Quick Apply. Then choose Certificate. Pick the term and rate that fits your needs. Choose your funding account, opening deposit amount, and Continue. Accept the terms and conditions, and in seconds, you have a new certificate that is ready to view in your account list. You can manage your certificates anytime or on the go with online and mobile banking. Thank you for being a member of ORNL Federal Credit Union. For more info, visit ornlfcu.com or give us a call toll-free at 800-676-5328.